Another beautiful morning in Guatemala. We're just got all the bags packed and we're ready to go. Let's see what Shelly's doing in here. Papa.
Did you get those hiccups on tape here? Holy cow.
I don't know if we can hear them.
Oh, she's really loud. You know, we got to listen.
What's going on over here, Peanut?
That's the loudest hiccup she's had. Wow. Oh, now they're gone.
Oh, are you done?
Oh.
Hey, baby. There she's looking.
Say, see you at Christmas time, everybody.
Yes, we can't wait.
It'll be so big by then, huh?
It's gonna go fast.
Yeah, it will. Say hi, Cousin Maddie. I'll see you at Christmas.
Give me lots of
She's waving with her little pinky.
Yeah.